You kind of just do a little test and the stitches start to break.
Yes.
Then you say, all stop. You start asking questions. That's when you need to go into the details about what's going on here with the stitches per inch, the seam allowance, and the way they've set up the machines.
So do I need to know anything about sewing?
It helps. Yeah,
Yes.
I have to admit. I mean, I've been in the sewing business helping people for a long time, and I'm by no means an expert on the different machines. But you need to know that there's a variety of different stitches,
Yes.
and there's a variety of different machines. Like you got the single needle machines, you got the overlock machines, which are over there, the flatlock machine.
Okay.
Then also understand there's different kinds of threads. So you can see at the top of each machine, there's threads, spools of threads that are being fed into the sewing machine.
Yes.
And if you, there's a company called Coates. And Coates has over like 50 different kinds of thread.
Yes.
They have thread that has extra stretch in it. They have thread that has metallic, shiny threads in it.
Yes.
There's a fire-retardant thread, you know, so there's all kinds of different threads that give you different properties. And then of course there's the basic thread. And you also, again, going back to colors, we talked about Pantone. So all the
Pantone for your thread.
Yeah, exactly. So the other thing is, what you need to know about sewing is like quality control related issues. So there's stitches per inch, and there's tolerances.
Okay.
So like when you take a seam and you can measure the stitches per inch.
Okay.
And they should be spelled out in the tech pack.
Okay.
And you can check them during your quality control check. The other thing is seam allowance. And I mean, that's getting pretty technical. I personally don't even know how to really check seam allowance, but you can learn online. But that's why you hire third-party quality control people to come in. If you're having issues with the sewing, so like they've made a sample for you, or let's say you're doing inline inspection and you put the garment on and you kind of just do a little test and the stitches start to break.
Yes.
Then you say, all stop. You start asking questions. That's when you need to go into the details about what's going on here with the stitches per inch, the seam allowance, and the way they've set up the machines.
Okay.
But that's certainly going deep.
Yes.
And they have technical people that are supposed to take care of all that.
Yes.
But that's also printed. But that's
Okay.
woven, and this is knit.
Okay.
And these sewers are very multi-skilled because they can sew both woven and knit fabric.
Okay.
But the woven and the knit fabric handles differently under the machine.
Okay.